In a major development that could shake the world of global IT outsourcing, India's largest IT giant Tata Consultancy Service or TCS is now at the center of a federal investigation in the United States. The US Equal Employment Opportunity Commission, denotes EEOC, has launched a probe into serious allegations made by former American employees. They claim they were unfairly laid off not because of performance or business needs, but due to their age, race, and national origin. According to a news report, many of those affected are over 40 years old and not of a South Asian descent. The allegations, while they were shown the door, Indian employees, some holding H-1B visas, were retained. And it doesn't end here. Across the Atlantic, in the United Kingdom, three former TCS employees have made a similar accusation, taking the company to an employment tribunal. They claim that age and nationality discrimination was at play during TCS 2023 redundancy exercise. TCS, however, has strongly denied all allegations, calling them meritless, misleading, and contrary to company's value as an equal opportunity employer. But raising the stakes further, in an unreleased letter from April 2024, US Congressman Seth Moulton addresses the EEOC, warning that TCS practices could represent a disturbing pattern of discrimination against American workers. He went further, suggesting it may even involve the misuse of US visa programs designed to fill genuine labor gaps, not to displace American jobs. TCS is not a small player, with over 6 lakhs employees worldwide and clients including leading automakers, airlines, and financial giants. Any shadow cast over its hiring practices could have massive global consequences. For now, the investigation continues, but one thing is clear. This controversy has thrust the issue of workplace equity, visa policies, and corporate responsibilities back into the global spotlight. We will be watching this story very closely. Stay connected with TimesXP.